Good morning. We are here at our newest listing on Sea Grape Drive in Fort Pierce. It's in Indian River Estates. Let's go check it out. This 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home offers a split floor plan and 1,552 square feet of living space. Over here we have bedroom number 1, and across the hall, currently being used as a media room, is bedroom number 2. Both have full-size closets, and in between is the first full-size bathroom. In the heart of the home is a spacious living area that leads into the kitchen with a casual breakfast bar and a dining area for larger gatherings. Right off the kitchen and past the utility room is the master bedroom. Attached is a full-size bathroom with a large walk-in closet. There's also a door that leads out to the backyard and patio area. As we leave the master, we'll walk to the utility room with a full-size washer, dryer, and plenty of storage space. Last but not least, the private back patio. This is the perfect spot to sit and relax after a long day, host barbecues, or sip your morning coffee. If you would like more information on buying or selling a property, you can email us at info@marlingrouplistings.com, follow us on Facebook, or find our website, marlingrouplistings.com.